Good morning, tubes. I'm going to try and put on a screen protector on the Guzzi here. It's a bigger screen than I'm used to. I thought it's going to get scratched, so I thought I'd get a screen protector, and how hard can it be to put on a screen protector? I've had different results, or varying results when I'm doing it on phones. So we'll see how we get on with the Guzzi. So I'll tell you a bit about these. Came from Germany, yeah. I got it through eBay, and it's called Moto Screenies. They didn't arrive for ages, or didn't ever came, and they posted on eBay why hadn't I put on a feedback. I said, well, because I haven't got the product yet, I can't give feedback on something I haven't got. So they said, oh, must have got lost in the mail, and they immediately sent me another one. Came via airmail, and it arrived very well packaged. So it comes very well packaged in its own little folder. Scan this on your smartphone to get the instructions. It's got accessories in here, so the screen there. Looks like a cleaning pad inside, so scan the code and see what we come up with. So it says Moto Screenies installation, and it's got a picture of the dashboard, same as on the Guzzi here. Well, that's not going to happen because we just set up an account just to follow the instructions, so forget it. I'm just going to do it like I would normally do on a cell phone, and hopefully it'll be all good. Right, let's give it a go anyway. Right, we've got the alcohol prep pad. Give it a clean. Oops. Right, so the alcohol pad's left a bit of a smear there, so I don't want that. Use a bit of plexus to remove that, I think. There we go, that looks better. Yeah, that's good. It's nice and clean. Attracted some dust. And just like my cell phones, I'm getting air bubbles. Never mind. It'll protect the screen, that's the main thing. That little tag's hard to get off. Like that big one here. Well, I'm not exactly over the moon with that result. Let's have a look. Perhaps I need to leave it for the professionals. As you can see, it's certainly not 100%. Switch on. Yeah, you can see all the little air bubbles. The little air bubbles. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So tubes, that's probably a demo, more of a demo of how not to do it. So learn from my mistakes. I think you really have to get that screen real clean. Take your time and probably use a plastic spatula type thing to get those air bubbles out. But anyway, it did come with two. And the first one I wasn't prepared, and I left it lying upside down, and dust got on it, so that was a waste of time. Yeah, it's amazing how much dust there is in the air and just accumulate on the sticky surface. Anyway, this one here will suffice. It's not going to distract from the ride or anything. It's just going to protect the screen from getting scratched. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next not so exciting episode.